Hi everyone, welcome back to science. I have my special lab assistant Shiloh with me, and she's going to be here to help us make our second version of slime. Last time we made a basic version of slime that included saline solution and baking soda as its activator. And remember, that's what caused that chemical reaction to happen with the glue to make it into that slimy, gooky slime that we have. This time, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to add in one more ingredient. We're going to add in shaving cream. I wonder what's going to happen. Let's find out. Let's get started and see what happens. So, Shiloh's here. We have our bowl ready to go.
Bowl and a spoon. And so the base of slime is glue. You can use any type of glue, but we chose Elmer's glue, white glue.
There we go. So we need about 1 cup of glue.
And then, so we need about a cup of glue.
That's good.
That's good.
A good big old cup of glue.
And then we pour it in. And then, once you're done putting the glue in, you can. These are the activated. This is going to be the activator for the slime. But first,
we put in the baking soda, and so we want to put in about a half tablespoon of baking soda, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's put that. Oh, before that, we forgot our color. Let's make some color. I think this time we chose a neon green. Can't forget the color. That's half the fun.
Okay, so you can add in as much as you want until it gets to the right color. I'll add in about 2 drops. And mix it so you can see the color.
Do you need a little bit more?
A little bit more. That's good.
Oh, let's do 1 more drop.
Okay. Now that we have added in our color, we get to add in the shaving cream.
Ooh, that's the next step?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we add in about half of the amount of, like half a cup of shaving cream or less than it.
Sounds good. So
About that much.
a good dollop of shaving cream. I'll get the camera so you can see as she's creating this slime.
Ooh. Okay. So once that is all mixed in, you can go ahead and put in your baking soda and your saline solution. So we're going to put in about a teaspoon of baking soda. And then we are going to mix that until it is all dissolved. Okay, mine seems like it's dissolved. And now we're going to add in some contact lens solution. This mixed with the baking soda is a chemical reaction, and this activates this and activates the glue. So you put in until it creates the texture you want it to be. So mine is not coming together yet. Okay.
Do you ever use lotion in this one?
You can. Let's add that after.
What does the lotion do for it?
The lotion, if you overactivate if you use too much of these two, then the slime becomes like rubber. But if you add enough of this, you can fix it to make it the consistency you would like it to be. So we're going to add that after to see if we get the right consistency.
Whoa, look at that slime. It's coming along. It looks like some good slime with green too.
Okay.
And what do you typically call this version of slime?
We call this version of slime fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime.
It is very fun. Okay. We might need a little bit more saline solution. Okay. Once you can see it come off the sides of the bowl, then you can take it out and play with it. Ours is ready to play with.
Roll those sleeves up. Get ready to get messy.
Okay. So let's take this out. Oh, no. We might need a little bit more of this.
So even when it's out of the container, you can still add some more saline solution to it to make it react. Correct?
Correct.
And you can see why she calls it fluffy slime. Looks a lot different than that other slime. Definitely looks a lot more foamy. Whoa! That looks like some good, fun slime. Woohoo!
Hope you had fun. Hope you have fun making it. Enjoy it. We will see you next time.